is a video on how to create folders that will help you organize your website that you're backing up. So we're going to go ahead and open our folder, a filing system. I call it File Explorer. And we need to go to your H drive. It's usually your username, and then you see an H at the end. We're going to right click and go New Folder and call it Website Backup. Now, if you have a lot of things to back up, you can create folders in here. If you have lots of pictures, then go ahead and create a folder inside here called Pictures. And then a folder called Documents if you have lots of documents. But instead, if you have lots of pages in your website, you can, instead of that, you can do a folder per web page you have, like homepage. Maybe you have a page called parent page or information page or about page, whatever pages you have. And then inside of that folder, you can put the documents and pictures in there. Whatever you think, however your website is organized.